Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin the search for an app and enter Firefox. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. After this process is finished, we'll be able to open our app. From here we can customize it, so you can choose a theme from light to dark or set it to automatic. You can also pick your toolbar placement from bottom or top. Always on privacy settings, you can change them from standard to strict or from strict to standard. You can also synchronize Firefox between other devices by signing up. Here's read our privacy notice, and if you can of course read it. After that, click on start browsing and your browser will be ready. We can open any website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.